Whenever your time comes and we ask you, did I truly live, when you ask yourself, will you be able to say yes? If not, today is your new day where I want you to create a new pact with yourself. Make that promise to yourself that no more are you going to not even know what it is you want. Oh, my lovely divine divas. You know, I once heard this story of a woman in a town in America where she was 73 years old and she went and lifted the car under which her grandson had come. When she lifted that car and saved her grandson, she became the superstar of that town. All the media people in that town wanted to interview her on how she did it. Where did she get that courage, that strength to do that? She decided not to give any interviews. People kept calling her, wanting to know her story, but she refused to give any interview. Finally, a man called her up, a journalist, and said, you know what, don't give me an interview, just tell me why you're not giving interviews. So she said, you come over. He went over to her house and she said, you know what, actually I've gone into regret. And he said, what do you mean? She said, you know, if I could at 73 lift this car up, what could have I done all my life? All my life that I have wasted away, what all could have I achieved? And that thought is killing me. Having understood her predicament, this man asked her, what is it that you wanted to do? And she said, you know what, I used to love rocks. I wanted to be a geologist. So he asked her, what is stopping you? She started to answer and he got up and he said, don't give me the answer. Go in front of the mirror and give yourself an answer. And he walked away. 4 years later, this lady on her graduation ceremony invites this man to sit in the first row as she speaks from stage, being the oldest woman in America to have got her degree in this particular subject. And not only that, she even joined that college and started to become a professor geologist in that university. Can you imagine at 73 living a life like that? This is what I want for each one of you here. I want you to not regret. I don't know what your dreams are, what your desires are that you have somewhere left behind to truly serve your family, your life, the people around you. But what I know for sure is that that dream hasn't yet died. It has got buried, yes, but we can always reignite, realign ourselves. So today what I'd love for you to do is create a desire list. The question to ask yourself at the end of your life is going to be, did I truly live? And I want to make sure that each one of you here answers a yes to that question. Whenever your time comes and we ask you, did I truly live, when you ask yourself, will you be able to say yes? If not, today is your new day where I want you to create a new pact with yourself. Create a desire list. What are the things you want to do in your life? You know, some people call it a bucket list. Some people call it, dreams and desires. Some people can call it your vision for your life. Whatever it is you want to call it, what I want is you to write 10 things on it. I would love to travel the world. I would love to study this subject. I would love to explore this. I would love to be more calm and patient. You know, like I call them the do, be and haves of your life. I'd love to have a home. I'd love to be more elegant. I'd love to do bungee jumping, skydiving. All of us have deep desires, and deciding what we want is step one to getting anything in our life. So truly today, make that promise to yourself that no more are you going to not even know what it is you want. Because you know, for women who don't know what they want, you know where our focus is? On what we don't want. And the more we keep talking about what we don't want, the more far away we keep getting from our real dreams and desires. So do me a favor today. Sit down in a quiet, beautiful place somewhere in your house, a corner that gives you peace and serenity, and then sit there with your cup of tea or something nice with a lovely book and a good pen and write out, what would my life look like 2 years from now, 3 years from now, if I knew what it is I wanted. You know, explore every area. Look at your health. What would you want in health? What would you want in wealth? What would you want in your relationships? What would you want in happiness? create at least one desire each in each of these subjects so that you have an overall view of your life. Do this, and I can tell you something will start to awaken inside of you in a way that even you did not notice that it was still there. That energy, that enthusiasm that left you, that excitement with which a lot of people get up but you don't, I would love to reignite that. Thank you so much.